Every second, the world runs on data, and data depends on power. Power must be stable, clean, and continuous. Behind every data center lies a critical power infrastructure. From substation to server rack, every stage must perform flawlessly. Identify power quality disturbances before they escalate. Validate protection systems with high-speed waveform analysis. Measure loads safely and without interruption. Perform fast preventive diagnostics with clamp and insulation testing with instant data visualization. Backup systems must be ready before they're needed. Battery condition can be evaluated in just 2 seconds. Verify DC input and 3-phase AC output simultaneously. Because reliability is not only electrical, continuous environmental and electrical monitoring protects system performance. Grounding integrity ensures operational safety and compliance. Total visibility across every critical layer. In an industry where downtime is not an option, Hioki ensures your infrastructure stays online. Hioki, beyond measurement.